As y'all can tell, we're gonna be making some shrimp quesadillas. Now, first up, get you a pan and heat it up with some olive oil. After that, you wanna take some shrimp. You can do pre-cooked or uncooked, whatever you prefer, and then just season it with some Old Bay. Now for our sauce, I want you guys to take 2 scoops of sour cream, add a little bit of taco sauce, go add some hot sauce to get it nice and spicy, and after that you're gonna add a couple drops of lemon or lime juice. Now just mix it up and you'll have your sauce. Now what I'm doing, I'm just placing the shrimp into the pan. Just let them get seared and cook for a little bit. They don't gotta cook long, it's shrimp at the end of the day. So just put that in the pan and let it cook. Now once that's done, you're gonna add your spinach and add a little bit of olive oil to your spinach, and then you're just gonna let that cook down. You also wanna add some more Old Bay seasoning so your spinach can take in some of that flavor. Now, just mix it all together. Now just remove your shrimp and spinach and put it into a bowl, and make sure you get the juice in that bowl too. Now to assemble it, just get you a tortilla, add some cheese, then add your shrimp and spinach, and then you're gonna add that little special sauce. Add it in the middle. Don't add it around the edges because it's gonna spread when you close it. So just put it in the middle. Now you're just gonna add some more cheese, and then you have the inside of your quesadilla all done. Now you can just fold it and press down. Now you're just gonna let each side cook for a little bit and get golden brown, or however you prefer to have your quesadilla. I've let that side cook for a little bit. Now I'm gonna flip it. Now mind you, don't have your pan too high when you're doing this. You don't want it real low because then it'll just get soggy, but you don't want it too high to the point where it burns. So have it on about medium-low heat, and then just let the other side cook, and there you have it. An easy quesadilla anybody can make. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients, real simple. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below what else I should make. It's been your boy, the No ID Chef, and I'm out.